Locate the real target. Got it.
Can't keep my big fingers out the way. Don't let me forget to put this back in the keys.
There you are.
What is he doing?
Locate the real target. Okay, I already looked that. Look. Oh. Hide. My car. Oh, that guy raised the stupid alarm. Dang it.
It's a lot of violence, John.
No, it's just violence.
That's what I said. There's a lot of violence. It ain't just violence, a lot of violence.
Guys, can you shut up? Don't raise the alarm. Break through the fence. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Oh. Ah! Don't shoot a gun at me. Ah! You're going to pay for that. Ah!
Did he kill you?
Yeah, it's called desynchronized.
Okay, that's all I can do.
Okay.
Let's put this back in there.